Welcome back to CiaoBedBugs. Have you ever heard of these insects that drink your blood and disrupt your nights? Having bedbugs can be a terrible experience that can create a lot of stress and despair. Usually, it involves spending a lot of money on expensive chemical treatments. And we just could not let that happen. And that is why we want to share this with you. A great tip to handle bedbugs all on your own without spending your hard-earned cash. So today, we're going to talk about duct tape. And we'll see how effective duct tape is against bedbugs and how you can handle using it effectively in your home. Now let's get right into the video. Let's get started. So, does duct tape work against bedbugs? Yes. Using duct tape for bedbugs offers a cost-effective and non-toxic method to trap and remove these pests, helping to reduce their population and minimize their impact on your living space. And when bedbugs come into contact with the sticky surface of the duct tape, they can get stuck and immobilized, making it very challenging for them to move around or feed. And this can be especially useful for early detection or for capturing some bedbugs that crawl in your bed. And it can also be a good option for those looking for non-toxic and environmentally friendly methods of pest control. Using duct tape as a part of an integrated approach along with other bedbug treatments can be very helpful. For example, placing duct tape near bed legs can serve as one method to trap bedbugs, but it should always be combined with other measures like vacuuming, steam cleaning, and the application of insecticides or diatomaceous earth for better results. And if you're interested on this method, check out our video on diatomaceous earth for more details. And have you attempted using duct tape to get rid of bedbugs? If you have, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to read and respond to them. How to use duct tape for bedbugs. Using duct tape can be a simple and temporary trapping method. Here's how to use duct tape effectively. Step 1. Identify bedbug hotspots. Before applying duct tape, identify areas in your home where you suspect bedbugs are hiding. Look for cracks, crevices, seams, and other potential hiding spots. Step 2. Prepare duct tape strips. Cut several strips of duct tape, each approximately around 6 to 8 inches long, and make sure the tape is wide enough to cover the targeted areas. Step 3. Apply duct tape. Wrap the duct tape around the legs of the bed to trap the insects as they attempt to crawl up onto your bed for feeding. Step 4. Monitor and replace. Leave the duct tape traps in place for at least a few days, preferably up to a week. During this time, the sticky surface of the tape will act as a barrier, capturing any bedbugs that try to move in or out of their hiding spots. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable solution to tackle bedbugs, then duct tape is a great option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about the best home remedies to tackle bedbug infestations without expensive chemical professional treatment, then you should subscribe to our channel. And for more budget-friendly and natural DIY remedies against bedbugs, be sure to check out our website at CiaoBedBugs.com. Until next time.